Hey, I'm professional magician Andy Gladwin from LearnMagicShop.com, where you can learn some excellent tricks to become a great magician. But today I'm going to teach you a few easy tricks, so let's get started. Here's how to do a great money magic trick. It uses a coin. I'm going to take the coin and I'm going to push it all the way through the tabletop. So here's how to do a great money magic trick. You just need a coin, and I place it in my hand with the fingers on the bottom and the thumb on top. As I take the coin, I'm going to pick up my thumb and allow that coin to drop and hide in this hand. But I time it so that I look like I'm taking the coin away, so it looks like this. I pretend to take the coin in this hand and I hold it up so everyone's looking here. This hand goes under the table, secretly with the coin. As I push my hand down to show that the coin's gone, I'm going to tap this coin up against the table so it makes a noise. Looks like this. Then I show that my hand is empty and I pull out the coin. So the coin has apparently travelled through the tabletop. So that's how to do a really easy money magic trick. I'd like you to cut off about half the cards and place them here. This one here is the King of Diamonds, and this one here is the Eight of Hearts. You probably don't believe me, but actually it's the King of Diamonds and the Eight of Hearts. Magician. But today I'm going to teach you a few easy tricks, so let's get started. It's impossible to actually read people's minds, but I'm going to show you a way to pretend to do it. Just uses this deck of cards. Kerry, as I pull the cards off the deck like this, I want you to say stop at any point.
Stop.
Stop, okay, this card here. Look at that card, remember the card. I'll show the camera as well. Now obviously there's no way I could know what that card is, but I'm going to try and read your mind to find out the card. I think it was the Six of Hearts. Did I get it? This is called the Hindu card force. All I do is I have a card on the bottom of the deck, and that's the card we're going to use, so the 10 of clubs in this case. My thumb is on top and my fingers are below, holding the cards by the long side. What I'm doing is pulling cards from the top of the deck and not from the bottom, so it looks like the cards are getting shuffled, but really that card is staying on the bottom of the deck. So when Kerry says stop, I just show the card that she stopped me at, which is that original card from the bottom of the deck. So I just show it so I can't see. It's the card we're going to force, the 10 of clubs. And then I just close up the deck, and then I just pretend to read her mind and tell her that her card was the 10 of clubs. So there's an easy trick that allows you to apparently read people's minds. Magicians have been forcing cards for years. I'm going to show you one of the easiest but best forces. Kerry, just do me a favour, cut off about half the deck or wherever you like and just place it on the table. That's great, and we'll mark where you've cut to here. But even though she's cut at a random point, I already know what card you've cut to. It's the Ace of Spades. So here's how you force the card. The Ace of Spades actually starts on the bottom of the deck. The rest of the cards are in any order, but I put the Ace of Spades on the bottom. Now when Kerry cuts, she can really cut to wherever she likes in the deck. And then I say that I'm going to mark the cut. This doesn't really mean anything, but it just tries to justify the actions that I'm going to do. All I do is I place the packet that I have in my hand, which has the Ace of Spades still on the bottom, and I put it on top of the cards that Kerry's cut off, and I put it on kind of in a crossways manner, so it looks as if I've marked to the place where she's cut. But the great thing is when I pick up the card to reveal it, I actually don't show the card that she cut to. It's kind of a bold thing here. I actually show the bottom card of the deck. So I just pick up that upper packet and I just show the bottom card of the deck, show that it's the Ace of Spades, the card that I place on the bottom all along. And that's how you force a playing card on one of your friends.